Hello, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the radio show with Annette today. By the way, Annette, again, you're doing a fantastic job, and you're putting out some great information. My congrats to you. When you are looking to do internet marketing, keyword research is the foundation for it and the keywords that you use. So what I do is I will go to Google planning tool. Now you do have to have a Google account to get into this planning tool, and I'm going to show you how to use it. When you first go in, what you do is you type in some key phrases like I've done here at the top, and you hit get ideas. Now when it first comes up, they group them by ideas. Okay. Now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to keyword ideas. The ad group ideas, they do that for pay-per-click or paid advertising, so that you'll have some idea of what groups to stay a part of. Okay. Now the keyword ideas, if you'll notice here, whenever I click on that tab, what happens here is how to invest in stocks. They receive 22,200 average searches per month. They have high competition, and the suggested bid on is $9.34. Now what that means is that every time someone clicks on that ad, whether they buy a product, give you their name, whatever, conversion, no conversion, doesn't matter, that company pays $9.34. The most expensive keyword phrase that I found was best online stock trading account. There's only 20 searches for that, but each click is $101.52. This is a strong converting keyword. We're going to take a look at this keyword here today, because costing that much per click, you certainly know that there's a lot of competition for this particular keyword phrase in terms of what Google thinks. Now, stock trading, there's 12,100 searches, high competition, $34.49. Online stock trading, there's 8,100 searches per month, $50.87 per click. Buying stocks, 8,100 again, $25.59 per click. How to invest in stocks online is 480, $17.12 per click. Now that may not seem like much, 480, but believe me, it is, because that's over 5,000 searches annually. Okay. Again, best online stock trading for beginners, 170 clicks per month, 170 queries per month. Monthly searches, high competition, $38.28 as a pay-per-click cost. Now, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to click here and go to average monthly searches. Now, stock market, there's 673,000 searches a month. Wall Street, 246,000. These are more informational searches, okay? If someone's looking for the stock market, they're just looking, where's the market at today, yada, 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 okay? When you come on down, let's see what we have here, New York Stock Exchange, nothing really here, okay? But what I want to do is change this to suggested bid so that you can see how much the suggested bid is per click. And you can see best online stock trading account online exceeds the other by almost double. Well, it does exceed it by double. Okay, it's double the price of the next click, so you know that is a strong keyword for someone to try to rank for. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to type that particular keyword phrase into Google, best online stock trading account, and I've already done that. And I'm going to click on it here. I'm going to refresh my page. Let me sign out here. No, I don't want to sign out. I'll leave it signed in. Best online stock trading account. And I want you to notice that up here, Trade King, if I would click on that particular ad right there, it would cost him $101. Okay. I'm not, in fact, going to do that. Okay. TD Ameritrade is advertising. Scottrade is advertising. USAA is advertising. E-Trade is advertising. Who else is it? That's really only the ones of the big four. Now, if you notice here on the first page of Google for that particular keyword phrase, those ones that are advertising that's willing to pay $101 a click, if you notice, they're not over here in the organic listings for whatever reason. Okay, that reason may be they don't have a marketing company, they're only doing pay-per-click, their marketing guys don't really know how to do online. I don't know the answer to that. Okay, but in my opinion, it's very silly for them not to be or show up in the organic listings. Let's go to page 2 and see if any of them are in fact on page 2. They're advertising again on page 2. Let's see if any of them are into free listings here. Scottrade is number 13. E-Trade is number 15. Ameritrade is number 18. So it wouldn't take these guys too much to get on the first page of Google for that particular keyword phrase. So let's go back to page 1 here. I want to show you some things here that you can do. And so on page 1, okay, here we are at page 1. Now, a free tool that you can use that will give you the PR ranks of these particular sites, I use the Mozilla Firefox. It's called Quake, SEO Quake, okay? You can download it. It's a free toolbar. You can see I've got it up here also. This is the free toolbar, SEO Quake. But what's so neat about it, on each website, it tells you what their PR is. For example, Online Stock Trading Review is PR5. Nerd Wallet is a PR4. The Simple Dollar, which again is outranking the other sites. They don't have any no page rank. Top on StockTradingToGo.com is a PR3. NASDAQ PR6. It doesn't matter about that one. Reviews.com/online stock trading is a PR6. Okay. Now, again, PR6, PR3. So you've got several PR3, so you know that you can take the first page ranking of these sites because it's very easy to beat out a PR3. Now, the reason I know that is because of, let me see here, stock tradings, buy stocks online, buying stocks. Okay, here we go. Best online stock trading account. This was the keyword we were looking at. Let me show you here. This is what it was. Best online stock trading account. I have a software program that I use that I can run that will tell me how hard it would be to rank for this particular keyword phrase. Now, if we go back to the Google keyword tool here, I want to show you that for that particular phrase, best online stock trading account, it shows high competition, which will be tough to, in fact, rank for. All right. Well, and now let me go back to here. And what I've done, I run it through my software program. If you'll notice here that the DMOS, which is a free directory, it's just very hard to get listing in there. It takes a long time. Yahoo is a directory also. It's paid and free. But if you notice here, they don't have a title tag. They don't have the description tag filled out. And they don't have any H1, the keyword in their H1 tag. So they don't have the keyword in their title, the description, or their H1. Now, they may have some semblance of the keyword in there, but it's not the exact keyword phrase of best online stock trading account. So when you go to build a page out on your site to beat these guys up, what you want to do is you want to have that keyword phrase, best online stock trading account, exactly that in your title as a keyword. Okay? You can put 65 characters in the title tag. In the description tag, you can do double that. I think it's about 140, something like that, 135 to 140. So you can add the best online stock trading account would be, Welch, whatever the case would be, okay? But you want to have the exact phrase spelled out just the way it is, best online stock trading account. And, of course, what you'd want to do on your page, you would want to have the heading as an H1, which would be the heading would say best online stock trading account. You use that as an H1 tag. You can do that on WordPress. There's a box you can click on, and it makes it an H1. And then, of course, everything else would be the copy under it. The reason, this is the best online trading account is because of the training program. They have proven a track record of, 200% return, whatever the case is in the copy, okay? So, again, now, if you don't have this software program, how will you know if, in fact, it's not in the title? Well, all you've got to do is look at the page, okay? By looking at this page, it says Online Stock Review, Best Online Trading, okay? All you have to do is click on it, and I'll click on this one here, okay? And once the site opens up, all you have to do, by the way, this is a PR5 site, which that would be tough to beat out from a site standpoint, is right-click on the page, somewhere on the page, until a pop-up box comes, and you can say where it says View Page Source. Where it says View Page Source, you can look at the title description here, and it says Online Stock Trading Review, Best Online Trading Services. It does not have the exact phrase in their title. Let's look at their description. Control F, hit Control F, and type in description, and I did a misspelling there, so type it in, DESCRIP, and it should pop up. The description tag, meta description tag. Looking for the best online stock trading service? We have easy to read, expert, unbiased reviews and feature comparisons of the best and cheaper service. It does not have it in the description either. So that tells you right there from a manual standpoint that you can beat these guys up on the first page of Google. Okay, so that's how you do a manual check. On the keywords, if you notice, they don't have any keywords. There's a reason for it. Google doesn't pay any attention to it anymore. Okay, that's the only one we're going to do on that particular page. I've just showed you how to do it. We're not going to concern ourselves with that anymore. Now, how to invest in stocks. You went to Google Keyword Tool and you found this is one you want to rank for. You want to build an article on it. You want to do a video, whatever the case may be. But you want to check and see what the competition is, okay? And for some reason I'm on page 3, so I need to go to page 1 here. So let me click on page 1. Okay, here we go. If you notice again, these companies are advertising. Fidelity's advertising. E-Trade's advertising. So they're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly now on these keyword phrases. And by the way, the $101 I told you about, that's only for one keyword phrase. A lot of these guys have 100,000 keywords that they try to rank for in their paid account, in their PPC account. All right. Here's a PR3. You know you can beat them out. PR4, that's a little tougher, but you know you can beat them out. PR5, PR5, PR3, PR0. So, lifehacker.com, how can I get started investing? Okay, you know you can beat, and then here's a video, so you know that you can get a video on the first page of Google anyway. All right, so there's that one. Now, one of the sites there said market consensus, and if you want to know what the PR rank is on market consensus, the site itself, rather than just a page, okay, you click on their home page, and the way you do that is this. Let me show you how to do it, okay? All you have to do, let me open one that's not like that. Let me go here. Let's go to lifehacker.com, okay? All right, lifehacker.com. If you'll see everything here after the slash mark, if you want to go to the home page, if you see this particular one that they have there, it's got a PR of 0, all right? If you want to see how the site ranks itself, just erase everything back to the slash mark, okay? Let's get back to the slash mark. Okay, and then refresh your page. It's refreshing now. I'm a little slow. I got so many windows open here. Okay. Life is a 7, so that's a pretty strong page. But yet the page they're trying to rank for that article was a PR whatever it was, PR0 whatever it was. I'm not sure what it was. Okay, we're just gonna close this out now. I'm gonna start closing some windows. It's a PR2. All right. Anyway, market consensus is a PR2. I'm gonna close that one out also to close some windows so we can speed it up here. Okay. The next one is how to invest in stocks. That would be a good one you want to write for wealth generators. Because people that are asking that question are relatively new to the stock market, okay? And so here we go, how to invest in stocks, okay? And for some reason let me just reload this particular page here. Okay. I don't know. Some of the PR is not showing up for some reason. I don't know what it is. I've been having some problem with my computer, so that may be what. Let me close that one out. Okay. Here we go. Buy stocks online. Okay. PR5, PR3, PR5, PR3, PR4, PR5, PR4, PR6, 6, and a 4. Okay. So you know that you can beat these guys out here. Now, where it says here the 69,800,000 results, if you want to know what it truly is online, what their true competition is, all you have to do is type in all in title, colon, and hit the search button again. Okay. So rather than having 69,800 competing pages, you've only got 16,500. Okay. So you know that you can beat these guys out somewhat. All right. Again, None of the big boys are on this page, so you can beat them out pretty easy. Okay, and here we go again. So beginner stock trading online. It's showing as 1,010,000 searches. Let's see what the competition truly is. All in title, E colon, and hit search. Again, this is a manual way to do it. Only 785 pages for this particular phrase, guys. You can rank for this one all day long. All right. There's a PR3, NA, PR2, 0, NA. Yeah, you can rank for this one all day long, guys. Okay, so let's close it out. Also, okay. Best online stock for beginners. We've already done that one. That's a duplication. Okay. Now, here we go here. This is, in fact, the most expensive keywords, and this is a company called WordStream that I use to do some research occasionally. This goes to show that Google earned in quarter 10 through 11, 33 billion. But anyway, the most expensive keywords here, and 97% of their revenue comes from advertising. Okay, they made 32.2 billion in total advertising revenue. I'm not sure what year that is. I don't know, but anyway, the top 20 categories. First was insurance. Second was loans, mortgage, attorneys, yada yada yada. Here we go, right on down. I want to show you that trading was number 12. Okay, trading was number 12 on the most expensive AdWords keywords. That's what I wanted to share with you there. And the again, another one, breaking down Google's 2011 revenues. Finance and insurance was $4 billion. The most expensive, almost double. The finance and insurance industries itself, retailers and general merchandise was only 2.8, so it wasn't double, but it was 1.5 again. $4 billion is what the finance and insurance industry spent on pay-per-click advertising. Now, eBay spent $42.8 million, Amazon $55 million, State Farm $43, Progressive $43, Geico $23. These companies will not continue to spend this kind of money if, in fact, they were not being successful with their advertising program. Okay. Here we go. Google's revenue is 97% online. How Google makes it money. This page here screwed up. Let's just refresh it and see if it comes up again. And see what happens here. There we go. Okay. How Google makes its money. Anything important? There we go. Google's ads, the revenue from their ads, the 33.3 billion, is in fact coming from online ads, making Google ads more valuable than Panama's entire gross domestic product, and more than 31% more than countries in the world combined. Okay, so that just goes to show you how much money people are paying for Google's advertising. Well, you don't have to do that, because if you use some of the tools and techniques today and the free things that I shared with you, there's things that you can do to beat out these companies and rank on the first page of Google. By the way, the number one spot on Google gets about 80% of the searches of the clicks. Number 2 gets I don't know. Anyway, it goes down from there. Number 3 gets triple of number 9. Number 2 gets triple of number 6. Now, on the paid-per-click ads, which is over here, I want to share something with you. These ads only receive about 8 to 10% of the clicks. Okay, most people click in this organic listing here 80 to 90% of the time. Okay, because people know these are ads and they don't click on them. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something from it. If you have any questions, I can be reached through my website. And thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the radio show today. So thanks. Bye-bye.